back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I prep my skin, my acne prone skin, like before I put on foundation and any kind of makeup. So you guys, my skincare routine hasn't changed. I'm still using the Neutrogena products like the cleanser and the moisturizer, but I added this London and Grant moisturizer. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks, and this is the packaging. Like, it comes like that and like that. So I just love, like, it's so nice, like it's butter, like butter. So I've been using this like to just help me clear the acne scars. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I use it, and a little bit goes a long way. So I just take that, put like places where I feel like needs a lot of acne, like to clear my acne, and then I just rub it in. It feels so good. And it smells so good too. I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. What do you call this again? Primer. Oh my god. Just use that. I used to be one person who didn't care like what was under my skin, so it looks like that is what really like messed up my skin somehow. So I put that on top of the moisturizer. So what I do with my primer is I let it sit so that when I put on my foundation, it's not like. And I'm gonna use my Fit Me foundation in Mocha. That covering. Just look at that, guys. Icon Absolute palette. This color is called Java, just to give life to my eyes. And a little bit goes a long way. And I'm not. The colors I used Java and Gilded as my colors. So right now I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder, like, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me just to set everything up.